Hi everyone, I'm Veola and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share a simple moment with a breast pump and talk a little about how pumping can become a calm and comfortable part of your daily routine. For many new moms, this process may feel unfamiliar at first, but with a little patience, it can become much easier. Before starting, it's always good to make sure everything is clean and ready to use. The pump should be assembled correctly and placed in a comfortable position. Taking a few seconds to prepare everything helps the whole process feel more relaxed. Next, find a comfortable place where you can sit and rest your shoulders. Being calm and relaxed is very important. When your body feels comfortable, pumping usually becomes smoother and more natural. Gently place the pump and make sure it fits well. It should feel secure but still comfortable. Try to keep a steady and gentle rhythm while pumping. There is no need to rush. Slow and consistent movements often work best. Many moms also find it helpful to relax their breathing and take a quiet moment during pumping. Thinking about your baby or simply sitting in a peaceful space can help make the experience feel easier. As time passes, pumping becomes more familiar and part of a natural routine. Everyone's experience is a little different, so it's always important to listen to your body and take things at your own pace. Thank you so much for spending this moment with me. I hope this video feels helpful and supportive for moms who are learning and growing in their motherhood journey. If you enjoy gentle mom content like this, don't forget to subscribe for more videos and simple tips.